So, how to set your YouTube channel as made for kids or not, or manual? For that you need to go your YouTube studio. Then go to settings, click on channel, advanced settings. This is the option. Here are three options. Yes, set the channel as made for kids. I always upload content that's made for kids. If your YouTube channel only for kids, then press this. Other option, no, set this channel as not for kids. I never upload content that's made for kids. If you YouTube channel not for kids, then press this option. And if you have a mixed content, some are for kids, some are normal, then press this option. Or manual review, you can also check this option. And suppose this is my kids channel, then yes and save. Okay, save setting. It's done. Okay guys, hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.